Hi everyone, in this short video, I'm going to show you the latency from the ForexVPS365 server based in the UK when connected to FTMO's MT4 platform. Alright, let's get started. I'm logging into the London-based ForexVPS365 server and installing FTMO's MT4. Here we go! Wow, that's impressive. Just 2 milliseconds with the FTMO Demo and 1.6 milliseconds with the real trading FTMO Server. Please note that we can't guarantee you'll experience the same connection quality, as we only control the network speed on our side, meaning the ForexVPS365 servers. We don't have control over FTMO's trading servers. However, we'd be happy to run real live tests for you. Alternatively, you can order a Trial VPS and run your own tests. I hope this video was useful. Stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. Wishing you profitable trading.